Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, please press the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, please press the like button. Topic that is of interest to you, that you think that you want me to talk about on this channel, please drop that in the comment section. This is the Lansdowne Park, and it's one of the popular centers in Ottawa. It has a lot of recreative center, sports gym and all that around this area. I will also be bringing some of the beautiful scenes around this area, which is part of what I'll be showing on this video today. I'm under the shade. Today is actually sunny, real sunny, and we are at I think 28 degree-ish, which is there is a heat warming alert also, because the weather is so super warm and it's super hot. So there's a warning around. So that's why I'm under the shade. Some of the things happening around Lansdowne Park. There's a market going on today. Today's Sunday, and I'm going outdoor skating for today. And also I rode a bike down at the same time. So these are part of what I'll be sharing today, just showing you around on what you will see on the Lansdowne Park. Right behind me as well is one of the Lansdowne indoor dome, which is where we do our indoor skating. Yeah. Right down is a playground and a water fountain, which is also a section in the Lansdowne Park. Center in Lansdowne Park, and that is right behind.
Get